two-dimensional array in Java is an array of arrays. It's a data structure that stores elements in a grid, organized in rows and columns. In contrast to a one-dimensional array, a two-dimensional array allows us to represent data in a tabular format. Two-dimensional arrays are particularly useful when dealing with data that can be logically organized into rows and columns, such as matrices, tables, or grids. They offer a convenient way to represent and manipulate structured data in Java programs. Here's how we can declare and initialize a two-dimensional array in Java. In this example, toArray is a 3x3 matrix where each element is accessed using two indices, toArray of row index of col index. For instance, toArray of 0 index of 1 index would represent the element in the first row and second column, which is 2. We can also use nested loops to iterate through the elements of a two-dimensional array. See you again. Thank you.